Bugün Muhammed Usta mutfakta.
Şimdi markete gidiyoruz.
Evet.
Muhammed çok güzel bir makarna tarifiyle karşımızda olacak. Malzemeleri almaya gidiyoruz. Bakalım nasıl olacak? Aslında ben denemiştim, harika, efsane ve şimdi sizinle paylaşıyoruz.
Bekle. This is by mistake came to this basket. We have to go back to start cooking and let's see.
Hello everyone and welcome to our channel again. If you are new here, make sure to hit the subscribe button, and if you like our videos, please share with your friends. Today I'm gonna make my favorite recipe for fettuccine Alfredo. I learned this recipe from Italian chef once I stayed in Italy, and I learned the whole story about it. So let's go step by step and I will show you what do you need and how to do it. Come with me here. We need chicken, and we're gonna cut the chicken as stripes. Boneless chicken. We need mushroom, and we're gonna cut it in this size. And basil sauce if you don't have fresh basil leaves. We need cream. This is Parmigiano cheese. Pine seeds. 1 middle-sized onion grinded. 2 pieces of garlic sliced. 300 milliliters of milk. We will start now putting these ingredients together. Okay, let's start. So we're gonna start by heating our pan. We will put olive oil, and we start with onion first of all. After that we're gonna put our garlic. Then we will put the chicken after it. We will wait until this chicken getting red. This is the color that we are looking for, and this is important. So let's start.
So you learned this recipe from Italy, huh?
Yeah, Italian chef.
Yeah, I tasted and it is really delicious. Actually, he was saying it is, secret. Now he's sharing with you.
Seriously, I
I'm
never-
kind of been jealous.
Yeah, I never shared this recipe with anyone. It was my secret as well, but it's really delicious, and every time I make it for someone, they are really getting crazy about the flavor, the taste, and everything. We started with the onion. We need to start mixing the onion a little bit until we get the color. Meanwhile, for the chicken, we're gonna put salt. Black pepper, red pepper, not that much, and a little bit of dried ginger, and this is dried garlic. We need to mix all this baharat all together, and from here we're gonna go with the chicken. And we take the chicken directly in the pan. We come with the garlic over directly. So we start stirring the chicken to have the color, golden color. By the way, everyone asking, some people starting with mushroom, but this is wrong. Mushroom is cooking faster than chicken. So we need to make sure our chicken is about to cook, and we're gonna put it. It's starting taking color, the chicken. We need to put a little bit of basil sauce, pesto sauce. 1 spoon. And we're gonna start stirring. We need to put the fire on low and cover the lid of the pan, and now we will go with sauce. Okay, we need to put butter, and we need to put this 300 milliliter of milk. This is on the separate pot. We need to put it here. This is for the sauce. We're gonna use it. I put 1 tablespoon of butter, and I put milk, and I put all of them together here. I'm gonna put pesto, again sauce, inside. We will start the fire and start to mix these ingredients all together. Now we open the lid and we need to start mixing it together. You see, we can start getting like kind of the sauce of pesto with the chicken.
Actually, first pasta recipe from Mohammed, second one will be from me. We want to do about pasta a series. Let's see, we really like pasta, right? And there's many kind of sauce.
Or we can do it like, you know, Italian list and include some lasagna and
Yeah, these are all
pizza
inside. It started to get thick, huh?
Yeah, as you can see, I don't know if you can see it or no, it's getting thick and thick, so this is the time I need to switch it off. Turn off the fire and keep mixing a little bit for 2 minutes. After that, we will see together what we're gonna do with it. This is the secret. So after I turn off the fire on the sauce, we need to put a little bit Parmigiano on the edge without stewing it. So it's like that. And keep the rest. And now let's see how's our chicken and the mushroom singing together. After I put the chicken got to start like taking the color and getting dry the water. I put after that the mushroom. Mushroom has a lot of water, and now this water is like mixing the flavor. And this is what we want. We need to wait a little bit until we get this water dry and mixed all together. Pine tree seeds. Gonna boil this. It says here 9 minutes, but I will keep it for 5 minutes. I will tell you why. This is the other secret.
Diyorsun ki temizliği de ihmal etmem. Hem pişiririm, hem yıkarım.
My advice to you is to wash everything directly. You know, this would save you a lot of effort and time. Now we will check the chicken together. It's almost dry, and this is what we want. Switch off the fire right now, and after that we're gonna open the sauce. We need to mix it all together with the sauce and just let it rest and drink the whole flavor. Our water for the pasta is boiling. We need to put 2 things. It's important things. Some people don't put these things, and I don't recommend that. We need salt, a little bit of oil. That's it. Now we need to go to our pasta. Are you hungry?
I am really hungry.
Oh my god. Guys, you need 1 kilo. We're gonna put it in the middle. So, why I put salt and a little bit of oil, so the pasta won't stick together while it's boiling. Come together. As you can see, piece by piece, it's separately and free swimming inside of the water. Yeah, boil, baby, boil. Now it's been like 3 minutes. We're gonna wait another 2 minutes, and after that, continue. So now it's 5 minutes, as I said. We close the fire, open the lid, and we come directly and drain the water and keep the pasta, of course. You need to open cold water a little bit. So this is the secret number 2. We open the fire with the same pan. We start taking the sauce inside the pan again here because it's bigger. We put a little bit here and we stop a little bit. We put this. I will come with some Parmigiano. I will put it here. After that, I'm gonna come with the pasta and drop all the pasta here. After that, we come here again with the sauce over it. Now we start mixing everything together. Why I put 2-level sauce? When I mix it, it will be easy and fast to mix. And also because I washed it with cold water after I boiled the pasta. So now it's getting hot again. This is the process. And after that, I switch off the fire and I take the lid, I cover it for 1 minute to make everything hot as it's before, and continue for serving it and ready to eat. Mamma mia! It's ready and it took me 1 hour to make it like that. So everything is on. This is just for decoration and I'm wondering, so if you're wondering like me, no, I'm not sure, wait a minute. Are you hungry?
I want to eat.
No, let me make sure. I'm just making sure.
It smells really delicious. Let's eat.
Mamma mia.